Hello everyone, I am Priyankar Koley from the IT department of Techno Main Salt Lake. So today I am going to perform an experiment where I am going to determine the Young's modulus of a steel scale using a plastic scale. So here I have the steel scale which I will be using to determine the Young's modulus, and this scale's breadth is between 2.3 and 2.4 centimeter, and we can measure the width, which is zero point 0.1 centimeter. So as we can see, we have two books here and which are almost equally thick, but this book here is a little bit thicker, so I am sparing some pages of this book and placing this for the steel scale, and I am using this scale to measure the depression. So I have placed the steel scale perfectly on the 0th mark here and perfectly on the 30th mark here. So I am ready with the setup, and here I have 8 unit masses, and each unit consists of 2 golden 5 rupees coin and 1 silver old 5 rupees coin, which is total of 21 gram. So now I am ready for the experiment, and it is the no load position, so I have to take the first reading here, and next I have to place the first unit mass between the 15 centimeter position, which is the middle of the steel scale. So this is the first reading. I am taking the reading and noting it into the notebook. So I have done it, and it is the second reading. So I have to take the reading now, and now it's time for the third reading. Okay, I've done it, and now it is for the fourth reading. Okay, now the fifth reading, and now the sixth reading, now I'm going for the seventh, and it's the last eighth reading. So now I have successfully taken all the readings.